Welcome, digital wanderers, to the Digital Nomads Travel Bible. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey through 10 destinations hand-picked for their unique blend of comfort, cultural richness, and digital nomad friendliness. These locations are not just places to visit. They are hubs of inspiration and effortless exploration for the modern nomad. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest destinations. Number 10. Rotorua, New Zealand. Rotorua, a land where geothermal wonders meet Maori heritage, offers nomads an unparalleled natural and cultural experience. Explore steaming geothermal parks, where nature's power is both awe-inspiring and a reminder of the Earth's vitality. Immerse in Maori culture with traditional performances and hangi feasts, deepening your understanding of New Zealand's indigenous heritage. Relax in natural hot springs, a perfect way to unwind after a day of work and exploration. Connect with local and global nomads in a city that balances natural beauty with digital connectivity. Experience the unique outdoor activities, from mountain biking to forest walks, offering a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility. Number 9. Bergen, Norway. Bergen, nestled among stunning fjords, offers a picturesque and convenient base for nomads, blending natural splendor with urban amenities. Wander through Bergen's historic waterfront, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where colorful wooden houses tell tales of Bergen's maritime history. Cruise the fjords to witness Norway's majestic landscapes, an unforgettable journey through some of the world's most breathtaking scenery. Enjoy the city's vibrant cultural scene, from art galleries to music festivals, providing a rich backdrop for creative inspiration. Indulge in fresh seafood and local cuisine, a delightful experience for foodie nomads. Connect effortlessly with the world thanks to Norway's top-notch digital infrastructure, making remote work seamless and efficient. Number 8. Busan, South Korea. Busan, a dynamic coastal city, offers the perfect mix of beach relaxation, mountain adventures, and urban life, ideal for digital nomads seeking diversity. Relax on Haeundae Beach, a popular spot for unwinding and socializing with fellow travelers and locals alike. Explore the city's vibrant markets and traditional temples, offering a taste of South Korea's rich culture and history. Hike the scenic trails of nearby mountains, finding peace and inspiration in nature's embrace. Experience Busan's modern amenities and co-working spaces, providing comfort and connectivity for digital work. Enjoy the city's lively nightlife and entertainment scene, a perfect way to experience local urban culture and recharge your creative energy.
Number 7. Glasgow, Scotland. Glasgow, known for its artistic flair and historical charm, provides a culturally rich and comfortable environment, making it a favorite among nomads. Discover the city's thriving art scene, from contemporary galleries to iconic music venues, fueling creative spirits and connections. Stroll along the River Clyde, reflecting on Glasgow's industrial past and dynamic present. Join local events and festivals, where the warmth and friendliness of Glaswegians shine, offering a sense of community and belonging. Savor traditional Scottish cuisine and innovative gastronomy, a culinary journey through Scotland's flavors. Embrace Glasgow's blend of historic architecture and modern living, providing a stimulating and comfortable base for digital nomads. Number 6. Cusco, Peru. Cusco, the historic heart of the Inca Empire, is a gateway to mystical adventures and cultural exploration, ideal for nomads drawn to history and nature. Roam the cobbled streets of this UNESCO World Heritage City, where Incan and colonial legacies intertwine. Venture to Machu Picchu, an awe-inspiring destination that combines natural beauty with historical wonder. Engage with local Andean communities, gaining insights into traditional ways of life and rich cultural heritage. Work from quaint cafes and co-working spaces, staying connected amidst ancient surroundings. Experience the vibrant local markets and festivals, immersing in the colors, sounds, and tastes of Peruvian culture. Number 5. Portland, Maine, USA. Portland, Maine, with its picturesque coastline and relaxed pace, offers a serene yet stimulating haven for nomads who love nature and simplicity. Enjoy the scenic beauty of the eastern seaboard, from rocky shores to peaceful harbors, perfect for contemplative walks or creative work sessions. Indulge in the city's renowned seafood cuisine, a fresh and flavorful testament to Maine's culinary traditions. Explore the charming Old Port District, where historic buildings and cobblestone streets create a quaint and inspiring atmosphere. Join boat tours or nature excursions, connecting with Maine's natural beauty and maritime heritage. Embrace Portland's community spirit and creative vibe, ideal for nomads seeking a balance of work, leisure, and inspiration. Number 4. Tallinn, Estonia. Tallinn, a city where medieval charm meets digital innovation, offers nomads an enchanting blend of history and modern convenience. Wander through the old town, a fairy tale setting that inspires creativity and reflection. Experience Estonia's cutting-edge digital infrastructure, making remote work effortless and efficient. Delve into the city's rich cultural heritage, from historic churches to contemporary art installations. Relax in cozy cafes and green spaces, perfect for work or unwinding. Participate in Tallinn's vibrant tech scene, joining meetups and workshops that connect digital professionals from around the world. Number 3. Valparaíso, Chile. Valparaíso, a city bursting with artistic energy and colorful charm, provides a stimulating and creative environment for nomads. Explore the cerros, hills, adorned with vibrant street art, where every corner reveals a new visual delight. Immerse in the bohemian culture, attending poetry readings, art exhibitions, and live music performances. Relax in hilltop cafes, enjoying stunning views of the Pacific and the city's eclectic architecture. Join local cultural tours, delving into Valparaíso's artistic and historical richness. Connect with fellow creatives and digital nomads in a city that celebrates artistic expression and innovation. Number 2. Galway, Ireland. Galway, a city with a strong sense of identity and cultural vibrancy, is perfect for nomads who thrive in culturally rich and lively environments. Experience the city's renowned live music scene, where traditional Irish tunes and contemporary sounds fill the pubs and streets. Explore Galway's literary and artistic heritage, attending festivals and visiting historic sites. Enjoy the friendly atmosphere and local charm, where conversations with locals are both enriching and heartwarming. Sample Galway's culinary delights, from fresh seafood to cozy cafes, reflecting the city's mix of tradition and modernity. Venture to the stunning landscapes of Connemara and the cliffs of Moher, easily accessible for day trips and outdoor adventures. Number 1. Jeju Island, South Korea. Jeju Island, a serene oasis off the coast of South Korea, offers a unique combination of volcanic landscapes, charming seaside towns, and a mild climate, making it an ideal destination for relaxed yet connected nomadic living. Explore the island's natural wonders, from Hallison Mountain to the lava tubes, offering opportunities for hiking and exploration in breathtaking settings. Relax on picturesque beaches, where the sea's tranquility meets the island's peaceful vibe. Discover Jeju's unique culture and traditions, from local seafood cuisine to folk villages, providing a glimpse into the island's heritage. Stay connected with excellent digital infrastructure, ensuring seamless remote work amidst natural beauty. Join local festivals and community events where the island's friendly atmosphere and cultural diversity are celebrated, fostering connections and memorable experiences. In the Digital Nomads Travel Bible, we've journeyed through destinations that offer not just comfort and convenience, but also enriching experiences for the advanced digital nomad. From the geothermal wonders of Rotorua to the artistic streets of Valparaíso, each location is a testament to the joys of effortless exploration. These destinations prove that the world is your office, and adventure is just a step away. If you want a specific destination, please write it down in the comments below, and the country with the most comments will be our next video. Don't forget to check out our newest channel, Relax in Travel, to bring some peace and nature into your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.